Do you find yourself struggling with issues in the bedroom? If so, you're far from alone. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is a common issue affecting roughly 30 million American men. That's nearly 1 in 5 males. It's important to remember that experiencing these difficulties doesn't make you any less of a man. It's a normal part of life that many men face. But did you know your sexual health could be influenced by several underlying conditions? Let's delve into this topic a bit deeper. Let's dive right in to discuss these 6 conditions that could be affecting your sexual health. First up is heart disease. A healthy heart pumps blood throughout your body, providing your organs with the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. When this heart function is compromised due to conditions like atherosclerosis or high blood pressure, it can affect blood flow to the penis, making erections difficult to achieve or maintain. Next, we have diabetes. This condition can damage nerves and blood vessels over time, which can lead to erectile dysfunction. High blood sugar levels, a hallmark of diabetes, can cause this damage, affecting sexual response and performance. Third on our list is neurological disorders. These conditions affect the brain and nerves throughout the body. Conditions like Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, or stroke can interfere with the brain's ability to communicate sexual desire to the reproductive system. This miscommunication can result in difficulty achieving an erection. Our fourth condition is hormonal imbalances. Hormones play a significant role in sexual health. Low levels of testosterone, for example, can lead to decreased sex drive and erectile dysfunction. Other hormonal issues like hyperthyroidism or hypothyroidism can also affect sexual function. Next up, chronic diseases such as kidney or liver failure. These conditions can cause changes in hormone levels, nerve function, and blood flow, all of which can lead to erectile dysfunction. They can also make you feel fatigued or unwell, which can impact your sexual desire. Last but certainly not least, we have psychological issues like stress, anxiety, and depression. Mental health plays a crucial role in sexual performance. These conditions can distract you, reduce your desire for sex, and can lead to erectile dysfunction. They can also make it difficult to maintain an erection or reach orgasm. These conditions can significantly impact your sexual health, but acknowledging them is the first step towards improvement. Now that we've unveiled these conditions, let's summarize their potential impact on your sexual health. First off, we discussed cardiovascular diseases. These conditions can reduce blood flow to your penis, making it difficult to achieve or maintain an erection. It's important to manage these conditions not only for your heart but also for your sexual health. Next, we talked about hormonal imbalances. Low levels of testosterone can severely impact your libido and your ability to perform sexually. In this case, hormone therapy might be an option to consider. Then, we touched on psychological issues like stress, anxiety, and depression. These can create a vicious cycle of performance anxiety, leading to persistent erectile dysfunction. Mental health is as important as physical health in maintaining a healthy sex life. We also covered neurological disorders. Conditions like Parkinson's or multiple sclerosis can affect nerve signals between your brain and penis, causing ED. Fifthly, we looked at lifestyle factors. Poor diet, lack of exercise, alcohol, and smoking can all contribute to ED. Healthy lifestyle changes can often help improve your sexual health. Lastly, we covered the impact of certain medications. Some drugs can interfere with the normal functioning of your sexual organs, leading to ED. Always discuss potential side effects with your healthcare provider. Each of these conditions can affect your sexual health, and if you're experiencing persistent issues, it's crucial to seek medical help. Remember, your sexual health is a vital part of your overall well-being. Don't let embarrassment prevent you from seeking help. You're not alone, and help is available. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below.